Can you guys hear me now? Oh, that's very unfortunate. You guys know. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So, uh, nobody know me for sure because I gave a new stock name, Gevo stock. And yeah, you guys can hear me now, right? Just confirm me. Just confirm me. We cannot. We can hear you. Investing journey. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, now we can hear you. Yeah. So I'm gonna tell you something. So I don't wanna tell you my history because if I tell you, you guys will have a mix feeling about me because I am the guy who used to make stock in like video about Neo when there was no people was making video about Neo when Neo was $2, you know. So I don't want to go for the history because if I continued my channel, I could have been a viral. So like yeah, the thing I'm saying, you guys should hate me because yeah, right. So this guy is telling he's gonna be viral by himself. He's got something, and his channel have this channel is a new channel. I have only 70 subscribers just for putting like couple videos. I did not put here videos. So let's get to the point. I'm not gonna talk about Neo. This is my third stock in stock market where I'm doing analysis. My first stock was Tesla. I bought it for $120, so $182 on like back in October. Then I picked Neo on December 2019. Yes, December 2019, first time. You guys, when you guys search with my name, MFK Samuel Neo, you will find the proof. I picked Neo at 1.82. When Neo is going to be bankrupt. So investing journey say, I remember watching you talk about Neo. Yes. So no more Neo because Neo went up without. Now we have billions of new investor like analyst available. That's why I never talk about Neo. So today I'm going to talk about one stock. So I want to see anybody comes here or not. So today I'm going to talk about Gevo. Gevo, I believe this is the stock I believe. I exactly invested exactly like Neo when I invested on like $2. So I just wanna leave a proof that I this is another stock I picked for just $2. So today, yesterday it went up like 30%. Today is going another 40% run. So it started just doing. It's going to be another future, and another futuristic stock. So many people have been investing it for a long time, and this company in the market is here for like 15 years, and the person maybe could you write it down? Okay, so what you want me to write? Okay, the name Gevo is like Gevo, which is the stock. By the way, you have to invest with your due diligence, right? Because you have to do your analysis. But the video I'm making, you know, I have some responsibility, right? So it's gonna be for entertaining purpose and sharing my experience. So Gevo is the title of the video. So people are investing on it, and it's making biofuel. It's completely linked with Tesla and Neo, because this is another stock I found because when Tesla came to the market, then it opened the frame. It let people believe that yes, battery vehicles can be the future. Then a company like Neo came to the market, and they started making good progress, right? And biofuel, yeah, the Gevo company, it's staying in the markets for a long time. Let me tell you exactly. So Gevo is in the market since Gevo is in the market since 2006, and their company is in Colorado. They're making biofuel, and so you guys can ask me. So the stock price is $2. So you guys can ask me. So why the stock price is $2 since 2006? Why it didn't pick up? So if you do the research on this stock, so you will find. So just like you guys remember, so some of you know me, very few of them know me because I stopped because I'm having another channel. I do immigration content now. So some of you used to chase me. Why you are not making Neo? Because Neo, when Neo was $2, when Neo is going to bankrupt, on that time I used to make video about Neo. But like when Neo started picking up, you guys used to chase me, because I used to have another channel, right? So, but that channel have almost 33,000 followers. So you guys used to ask me, why you're not making video? Because this is the time to make. This is the day you have been waiting for. I was waiting for Neo, like, because everybody used to laugh at me. So when I was talking about Neo, when Neo was $2, I used to say Neo is the future. Blue sky is coming. William Lee will be the future. I have been waiting for that day, and that happened. That exactly happened. My every title used to be like, Neo will make you people millionaire. So many people contacted me, and actually, I believe so many people got millionaire with Neo. And eventually, when Neo started picking up, Neo crossed $5, $10. So many investors every day. Neo is the #1 stock. So exactly, this is going to, I believe. Yeah, so my investing journey, yes, I remember it all. Thank you, my investing journey, for acknowledging this thing, because I stopped, but I realized this is the time. So my investing journey, oh my goodness, look at this. He acknowledged that you got me into it. I got it at 4. Look at this. Because of me, he bought the Neo at 4. So I don't know how much you spend, like how when I like. So what price you sold? Can you tell me? Can you tell us? So look at this. I don't. This is the new channel, so I don't want to have a huge audience. That's why I just put the Gevo stock. I don't wanna go for huge content every day, every week. This is not a thing. But I will come here to see who is like searching this stuff about Gevo and Neo. So we will have. Oh, look at this. My investing journey. So from my content, he invested in Neo for $4, and he is saying, I'm never selling. Look at this. So this happened. I'm holding forever, bro, long and strong. Look at this. So he's invested in Neo for $4 from watching my video, and he is holding it for his with his decision. So you did an outstanding work. You did the best work. You can imagine someone. So I'm not going to ask how many stock you bought, but you did the best thing. So you are holding it. I'm not sure this is the only stock you have it or not, because Warren Buffett said definitely, right? Do not put all eggs into one basket. So I'm hoping you have the diversified portfolio. You have other stock too, because I'm going. Oh, so by the way, if you bought it for $4, every single dollar increase with Neo, you are going to have an exponential growth, because when you have $2 stock, when it went up like 10 cents, you have a great increase, right? So when you want a $2 stock went $1, so you have a huge 50% growth. So even like when you bought a stock for $2, when it went up to like 30, 40, every single dollar will be a huge amount for you. So anyway, so I have been talking so many things about Neo and investing with my old audience. So you wrote something, my investing, they say, all I do is buying dips, and yes, I own other stuff. Perfect. That's the thing I wanted to hear from you. And my investing journey said, you are the man. This is the thing I really love to hear from you. I don't need let me tell you, when my channel was going like crazy, on that time I split my channel. I stopped making video about stock market analysis, because whatever the reason, because investing journey, if you can tell me your name please, so I can tell you. So if I continued, if I like, there was no person was making video about Neo, nobody. Everybody, when I used to make video, people used to laugh at me. Why the hell you are talking about a company is going to bankrupt? Why you are talking about this guy? We were looking for $1 billion. So the first $1 billion, when the government take initiative, so we know the state government have. So I go by BK. Hey BK, so thanks for the response, man. So yes, so yeah, this is the thing, man. So I think we have to go for something else right now. So I found this stock market. Let me tell you, I'm going to honestly confess you one thing. I started stock market New York. It's for like 1.5 years. It's almost 2 years. I have been investing in stock market since 2009. It's almost 11 years. But I mean New York stock market just for like, we can say, 1.5 years. In 1.5 years, I realized one thing. This is the place where so many people get millionaire. This is the place where people make money. Like, I'm telling you, I invested in a Gevo. Forget about Gevo. Let's bring again about Tesla and NIO. When I started in 1.5 year ago, my first stock, I can give you proof. My first stock was Tesla, $182 without knowing, because I always used to like Elon Musk. In my lifetime, I used to like two person, Steve Jobs and Elon Musk, but I never went for Apple, because Apple is a mature company. So there's plenty of room. So when $182, I don't know how many of you remember. So on that time, uh, you know, there's a scandal came out, about Elon Musk, and price went down. So on that dip, I bought this Tesla stock, and I made Tesla stock. How you can make money for NIO with Tesla? I did some crazy analysis, because I used to do only analysis with Tesla and NIO. On both of the stock used to be fun for the stock market, because people used to make fun of Tesla. People used to nobody used to like, you wanna say anything about NIO. So anyway, so this time is gone. In my opinion, it's not the time to invest in my opinion. I'm telling you, because the people who want to be millionaire, the people who want to go for something like you have some money to make something crazy. In my opinion, NIO is mature now. NIO is a really mature stock. Tesla is definitely mature. Yeah, Tesla will have a huge growth upcoming, because when Tesla will release the Cybertruck in the market, But the thing we are talking about, all three stock. Anybody, by the way, whoever is watching the video, if you guys have any comments, anything you want to add, if you think if you disagree with any points with me, definitely you can share with your thoughts. I'm going to read out and we'll discuss. So the thing is, why I came to the live today without any plan or anything. I just put a title and I came to the live just to have a discussion. So I'm planning, like, because I love stock, I love my audience, and I know like me, everybody have some like, we need some kind of analysis or anything. So we will do this kind of analysis every day, in my opinion. Whoever it will, I don't want thousands of people, because when we have less people, we will have like very concluding discussion. I don't want any kinds of like other thing, like sponsors, anything. Just like we will have a discussion, because I'm an investor like you. I am an investor like you, but I have a vocal, so I just come here always to talk, right? So anyway, so today I'm going to talk about the stock named Gevo. So Gevo is a biofuel company. We know we have so many stock, like Plug, we have a fuel cell, so many stock. So related to the what do you think, like sustainable like automobiles or future, right? So I'm gonna tell you so many stock, like, which is related to the sustainable, which came. I'm gonna tell you one thing. Everything linked to the Tesla. When Tesla came out, so many electric vehicle company came out. We cannot. I will never. Even any stock make me millionaire. I'm not gonna disrespect Tesla or Elon Musk because of this person. This thing is happening. People started believing it. Because he made Roadster. He made the Roadster in 2008. Everything is happening because actually he proved the Roadster is the speedster in the electric vehicle. That can prove. Look at this, what he is making. So this is the proving, like, with the electric vehicle. And NIO, when I used to believe in NIO, why? Because a, a, a car company made a sports car, and I'm going to repeat it. EP9, which is like, yeah. So a car company made a sports car, and this sports car company made the fastest sports car, proved all of the tracks. And this stock is gonna bankrupt, or this company is gonna bankrupt? Are you serious? No way. That's why I picked. I believed And I believed in William Lee. There was no content. I recently found one biography about William Lee. You guys can watch it, whoever like Neo. So yes, William Lee is true gem. So I believe like some people will change a company, So now let's dig into the Gevo again. So Gevo, in same thing I found about Gevo, Gevo is starting to, just like Tesla is doing business. Yeah, you guys can definitely get mad. Doesn't make any sense, because you should not compare Gevo to Tesla for sure. No, but like some of the thing you can match. Like for example, so the person is the CEO, the grabber. I really like this person. He has some visionary idea on life, so Gevo have something announcement is coming. So let me tell you some stuff about Gevo. So as I told you, Gevo is, I wish I can share the screen, but it's okay. I'm here live, so I'll talk from my phone, and I'm on my Yahoo. So Gevo, I'm gonna tell you the description. So Gevo is Incorporation operates. It's from YouTube, Yahoo. So Gevo Incorporation operates as a renewable fuel company. It commercializes gasoline, jet fuel, and diesel fuel to achieve zero carbon emission. Look at this. Try to understand what I'm saying. Zero carbon emission. So why I am betting on Gevo? Why? Guys, I'm gonna give you a couple of points. Guys, you guys can add any points for whatever you think, BK, you can add anything, or whoever is watching, you can add, because I see constant some of you after a really long time, when you can say after 7-8 months I came to the life. Nobody remember me for sure. I'm not expecting anybody remember me. But let me tell you, so the thing is, Gevo is zero carbon emission. So I'm not saying I'm not betting on Tesla, but remember one thing: in next 10 years, at max, electric vehicle will be 10%. Every country is giving deadline: 2030, 2035, 2040. Within those years, we want to approve the electric vehicle. So till those years, there will be ICE car. There will be, fossil fuel car will be existed in the market. Also, so many people car is running, so those used car will be in the market too. So the fossil fuels use will be there. So let's come up with an alternative solution. So I wasn't that much visionary, but when I see a company like Gevo, I'm not gonna talk any other company, because as I'm betting on it. So another thing I'm gonna tell you, I'm not saying Gevo is the only company here, but we are here. You are watching me. I believe you are watching me to make money, or while you are making money, you are thinking about stock, you are doing your research. That's why you are watching me. So we are here to make money. I'm not saying, okay, let me give an example. So 10x, so like 10 times your stock price. So a stock price is 4,000. Which one is feasible? So 4,000 stock, if it multiplied by 10, it will be 40,000. And a stock price is $2 multiplied by 10 is $20. Which one is feasible? Anybody, if you can respond, so I will see you guys are following me or like listening to me. So $4,000 stock multiplied by 10, will it feasible? Or $2 stock multiplied by 10 is $20 is more feasible? Today something happened in my lifetime. I have seen something. A stock named SEY, that was insane. 1,300% increased. A stock price was $7, I guess, if I am not wrong, or $2. If I am not wrong, $2 stock went up to $40 or something like that. Can you imagine? $40 SEY. So this can happen, right? So people will, so when a stock price, so just imagine how many people can buy Amazon. It's like $3,500 stock. How many people can buy it? But when if Amazon stock price splits 10:1, came down to $300. So many people can buy it. Just like Tesla, if Tesla stayed like, if you multiplied 650 multiplied by like, which is the real price, so it's like 3200, 500, how many people can buy Tesla? But if it splits now, so many people can invest on Tesla. So that's the thing. So when there is small price, on that time there is a chance stock price can go really, really, really high. So for example, why I'm talking about Gevo, because Gevo is, though it went up like after hour, let me tell you, last 3 days run of Gevo. So if I go to like Wednesday, the stock price was around 240. Wednesday, like before Christmas, so it was 240. Yeah. So Thursday, stock price went to like 345 or something. Exactly. I'm just telling you from the graph. So it's Thursday. It went up to a Gevo stock price went up to like $10. Like around 340. You know, $340. 340. So 240 to 340, $1 increase. You know. Okay, fine. So it went up $1. Monday. So because Thursday was the last day before Christmas, Friday was closed, and including me, all the Gevo investors was like counting every minute. Thank you, BK, for agreeing with me. So yeah, so Gevo went up to 340 to 440. Gevo went up to 440. You know, and today it closed to like 480. Today it's closed on Monday, so 340 to today it closed to 480 around it. So look at this, it's like, so $2 to $1 increased. So again tomorrow, and after the closing hour, Gevo went up to like 550. So the highest price was Gevo. It's like Gevo's highest price was, I'm gonna say, even like the price 1 year price target was 425. You know, and Gevo is, let me tell you another thing. Yet Gevo, except one, so I'm not exactly going too much details on it, because eventually the people who's going to watch, you guys have definitely huge expertise to do the research. So what I'm saying, if you go for it, you will eventually see. So I'm going to tell you, so Gevo, it's not yet started the main play, because no news came out. If you go to Yahoo, look for Gevo, till the last news came out 21 December. I repeat, last news came out for Gevo was 21st December. It was just a random like why Gevo stock jumped today. That's the simple story. That's it. But Gevo, you know, Gevo stock jumped like crazy. $2, 1.82. It went up to now almost 5.8, almost 2.5, like 250% increase. And I'm telling you, it's not yet started. You know why it's not yet started? Because let me tell you a few information. So Gevo went for, okay, I'm gonna tell you 21st December, there was a first news came out. So Inglewood Colo, December 21st, I'm gonna read a news report. So announced today, it has optioned the right to purchase approximately 239 acres of land near Lake Preston. So they are buying 239 acres of land. Just imagine, it's a big land in South Dakota. So they are buying. Why they are buying it? Because they have a $1.5 billion contracts with Trafigura. And with this contract, it's not yet active, in my opinion. If I'm not wrong, please correct me. So this contract, so they need to produce a huge amount of the fuel. For this well, they need a plan. So they started. Also, Citibank is going to have a, what do you think? A contract. So this contract will be huge, and everybody, it's kind of inside news. It's not leaked yet. No any announcement official. So just imagine, without any actual announcement. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention, you guys. Gevo is going to be completely debt free, with supposed to be completely debt free. They're supposed to pay out all the debt within the end of this year. So many good news are coming in the pipeline. Nothing yet came out. So many good news are coming. Nothing yet came out. Still, stock price is flying. So just imagine, first of all, when the Citibank announcement will come of the loan. Citibank is supposed to issue a huge loan. So when this loan will announce, number one. Number two, there are some big, okay, so we don't know about like Gevo's current existing clients. There are some big existing clients of Gevo right now. Let me exactly tell you what are those Gevo website. So if I can tell you exactly, I wish I can tell you. So what the current okay, so yeah, I can't exactly. I'll from next, for if I come to any next video, I will definitely tell you. So Gevo actually going for the it's a big company like Trafigura. I told you, Delta Airlines. I have seen the logo of Etihad. There are so many big companies, So those company, I think Seattle, city of Seattle is looking for the sustainable solutions. It came to Gevo. So many big company came to Gevo, and Gevo is working for those big company, and they are going to deliver those. What do you think? The products. So I'm gonna exactly tell you the 21st. The last news came out for the Gevo. So approximate 239 acres of land near Lake Preston, South Dakota, has met the initial milestone to secure control of a site by the end of this year. That meets the condition required by the contracts that Trafigura Trading LLC and Gevo executed August 2020. So August 2020, they got a contract of 1.5 billion from Trafigura, and one of the condition was you have to. So you took a 1.5 billion contract, so you're gonna give it eventually. So it's not one like one way finished. It's like eventually it's gonna happen, right? So that contract will be executed for like long time. So the first condition was like you have to have a plant. You have to build up a plant. So you have to just imagine that they got a contract. They do not have the capacity at present. Just imagine, like, for example, Tesla have the capacity to make like 500 thousands of car. So Tesla got a contract from a company to deliver like 2000 units of car. Can you imagine? So you do not have this capacity right now, but the contract says, condition says, so you have to have a $2,000 2,000 units of you have to have a plant. You have to, within this month you have to make the plans. So this is the thing. So the Trafigura give this condition, so they already fulfilled it. So first thing is done. They made an option, So the production facility plan for Lake Preston is contemplated to produce about 45 millions of gallons per year. I repeat, 45 millions per gallon per year. Can you imagine 45 millions of gallons per year collectively of jet fuel and renewable gasoline products? Gevo intends to make a decision on whether to purchase the Lake Preston site in the future, part of the Citigroup-led project financing. So I repeat this line. Gevo intends to make a decision on whether to purchase the Lake Preston site in the future as part of the Citigroup-led project financing. So they're thinking they should go with the Citigroup project financing or not. So that's the thing. So they're yet they're waiting for it. So and anytime if Citigroup, it's going to happen. That's what I believe. That's why I'm in the stock. I know. So that's why everybody is buying it. So just let me tell you. I am going to give you some numbers now. It's stock market. It's all about numbers, right? So I'm going to give you some numbers. So you will be amazed to hear those numbers. So Gevo has some figures I'm going to tell you from the. I actually read it. That's why I wanted to share with you guys some fascinating numbers. So Gevo has yeah, I'm going to tell you. So Gevo is going to disclose deliver those 45 million, and they also currently they're having a huge amount of production capacity. And yes, they are going to if they get the loan from the Citigroup, so their price stock will increase for sure. This is the only thing I'm waiting for. And another thing I'm gonna tell you. So what are the news can come out and it's gonna jump. So number one is the Citigroup announcement. Number two, oh, they're going to be debt free very soon. So debt free. So there's another reason. Another reason the stock price is supposed to increase. I'm assuming it's not assumption, but remember one thing. So when a stock price is below $5, so many institutions cannot buy the stock. It's like so many institutions have some kind of condition. They're not going to invest in a stock which is below $5. So so Gevo is crossing $5. I'm telling you, today it closed at 480. Tomorrow it's going to close +5. So you guys will see. So every day it's getting $1. So anyway, that's the story I shared today. And yes, you may see me, but I wanted to have a proof in my channel because I'm not working with my YouTube channel. Because I created my YouTube channel just to let people know about NEO, and NEO will make people millionaire. That's why I came to the stock market. But now I see thousands of YouTuber right now doing the stock analysis, and also so many people are doing NEO stock analysis. So many people are really great doing those analysis, So I felt like there is no need for me to make any stock analysis, but this stock actually I made for myself because it's for my confidence. Eventually, when because I'm still learning, this New York stock market is a I'm gonna say it's an Atlantic Ocean. It's a huge thing, and there is so many stock can make you millionaire within. You can be millionaire if you invest right. Just like my BK invested $4. Let me give you a simple analysis how my BK can become a millionaire. So if BK invested, so it's 50, right? 50, it's like 10, 500, 20. So if like, so it's like, I don't know exactly, it's 50,000 or like 50,000 is too much. Like you don't have to invest, like if you invest like how much 30,000, you don't need to invest over 30,000. Even if you invest, like, okay, fine, let me make it simplified. So if you invest in a stock which is like $5, so 10,000, so it's like 500,000. So my investing time, I added it on my watch list. I do my due diligence. Thank you so much, brother. You are a man. So yeah, thank you, investing journey. It's nice to see you, someone from old, because I know there is no way you're supposed to watch my video right now, because all new investors used to watch my video because I never upload any single second stock analysis because uh, I believe like you need, if you want to be a millionaire, you need like couple of stock in your lifetime to invest. Then when you have millions of dollars, then you diversify your portfolio to hold the money you have, So at first, because I want to be millionaire, that's why I'm doing this kind of analysis, the crazy stuff. So and I believe like so many of us actually want to take those risks. So many of us, like the people who bought, like just like my investing journey, BK, he invested in NEO when it's $4, when the stock price was crazy down, when NEO is having financial crisis, when NEO was having finance. So some people are willing to take risk. So look at the Gevo. Gevo is a negative earning stock. There is no person with a conscious mind. If somebody do the stock analysis, nobody's supposed to invest. No, but some of us, we are actually eager to take risk in the stock market. Two types of people are here, right? One, people are risk averse, one is risk takers. So I believe myself is a risk takers, and I definitely encourage people to do invest with their due diligence for sure, because I'm not a stock analyst and I'm not a financial advisor. I just do some analysis. I found some crazy analysis. When I get something, then I come up to the people like, look at these guys. I do not come with like hundreds of stock, but maybe in future I will think, because when I was doing research for stock, there is a person, Mandeep Singh, I guess he's from India for sure, man. So I'm finding some like different people here. So you guys can say anything. I would love to hear from you guys. What you guys thinking, what you guys expect from me. Anything you guys can expect from me, you can just share with me. It's fine, because I've been doing some research and I'm not making any video because I'm doing all the research by myself. And if you guys have any question about any stock, we can look at it now. We can talk about it now. It's completely okay with me. So yeah, so I'll tell you, my plan is to come here because this is the time. Maybe Gevo stock will go down, maybe. It's not completely make sense. Does not make any sense. Yesterday it went up to 30%. Today it went up to 40%. After hour it went up like 15%. So Tiwahto, hey man, if I ignore me if I make a mistake with the pronunciation. I'm sorry about that. But so Tiwahto say, do you have any price target? So this is the thing. This is the thing I love about my investing journey mentioned. So when you believe in stock, so Warren Buffett, when I started doing investing in New York stock market, so on that time I found one statement. I'm not gonna quote it exactly. But Warren Buffett said one thing. So how an interviewer asked him, how do you invest in stock? Like how you are such a successful investor. How do you find the stock? He said something. When you see a company, so you will look at the company, you look at the potential, then you invest. So I looked at the company, I looked at the potential, then I invested on it. I'm not looking at the price, because look at the NEO now. After looking at NEO, you can tell NEO has become a mature company now. The price is maturely now. Now it can go 5% down. Now it can go 5% up. So it's not like $1 stock supposed to be 50. No. So NEO is in the right position. So when NEO will increase their sales 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 500,000, so its stock price will jump eventually. So you have to believe in the stock. You have to believe in the company and do not set the price target. But remember one thing, if you want to make good money, buy the stock and hold it. So I realized in last 1 year, in 2020, in the pandemic time, swing trade, short selling is a risky strategy. Just I have an example in front of me. My investing journey, the person who is commenting, he bought a stock. Just we have an assumption. The person, my person is BK. $4 NEO stock. For example, he bought a NEO for like 10,000 of $4 stock. How much he spent it? 40,000, right? So look at the price now. 40,000 multiplied by like 4 into 10 is 10. 40,000. He have $400,000 now. For example, if he have invested $40,000, he have, I'm not saying 55, because NEO went up to 50, 55. I'm just talking about 40. It's not even 40. It's already today's price of Neo is 44. I'm not even talking about it. Just even 40. If we have invested 40,000, 40,000 is nothing for a big investor like you people. 40,000, you have 400,000 if you just hold it. But if you do swing trade, if Neo went up to 4 to 8, you sold it. Okay, fine. I'm selling it. Then it went up to 7. So in swing trade, that might be huge risk. You cannot make the maximize capital. So if you you asked me price target, that's what I'm trying to. So that's my philosophy. That's why I realized not everybody's investment strategy is same, and not everybody like have the liquid money is same. Some people have a margin money, some people have credit money. So if you have your money, some just even if you have like 10,000 to invest, pick a stock, invest 3,000, forget about it. Remember, like I studied finance, and stock market. On that time, I found the shortest stock investment is 3 year. 3 and 5 years is the shortest time. But we do like investment for 1 month, 1 week, 1 day. Even I did that. I'm not gonna deny it, right? So I will tell you, Gevo, when it will be mature, you will realize. So till then, hold. Even it can be $15, even it can be $20, even it can be $50, even it can be $100. Today it was going up, like 425, 430. It was highest to the all time, like toward the year 52 weeks high. Then it went to 450, 460, 470. I was thinking to sell it. No, I didn't sell it because that's the mistake we made with the Neo. So many people with me, including I sold it. I bought it less. I sold it, but most of the time it's not going to work. Just imagine I bought the Neo at $2, and if I sell it for like, even if I did not sell it $44, look at this, how much increase. And remember one thing, if you buy a stock for less price, every single cents increase after like a big portion, it's going to be exponentially growing. Remember, $100 stock, if it goes to $10, or like 120, just $20 increase is just small increase. But $2 stock, if it goes to $4, it's 100% growth. $2 stock, it goes to $6, it's like 200% growth. So every $2, then just think you bought it for $2, right? So it's go to 7, it's going to 8. Every single dollar is increasing your money like crazy. This is the thing. So buy a stock, forget about it. I will repeat the same story. We have an example. Oh, like first I'm coming to you, BK. At first, I'm gonna talk from my Mandeep Singh. So Mandeep said, appreciate your live video. I watched your video on Neo. Now watching you for this one too. Will be buying tomorrow. As yes, from Punjab, now in USA. Okay, let me tell you one thing. So I don't wanna. I'm telling you guys, you have to do with your due diligence because I'm not an advisor, so I'm not encouraging you to buy it. Just observe. It's going crazy high. It's going crazy high. Just to let you know, guys, it's a big company. Do your research. I'm just letting you know this is one of the company I believe. I can be completely wrong, but because I'm not a magic stock pick, I'm not Aladdin, right? So I can pick. But I'm telling you, this is a great stock I found. Just like Neo, I found 1 year ago exactly. Just exactly 1 year, December 2019, I found Neo. I felt like in November 24th, I first invested in Gevo. Why I invested? Because I thought man, I'll go for long and I'll make money. And actually it's happening. Okay. So now I'll go to Mandeep Singh. So I've told you the best of luck, Mandeep. Whatever you think, definitely let me know what do you think. So I will come again. So we will talk about it. And investing journey, because a day trade and swing trade is so risky. I completely agree. With my experience, I'm telling you, it's very risky. It's not going to work. And some people actually, some people is not doing it. They're actually doing it. But remember one thing, they are giving their 100% attention to the stock. That's what I believe. I believe those people have 3-4 screen in front of them are just like looking at the stock price going up, then doing it. Man, you are giving lots of attention in your life. In my opinion, man, if you do not have anything to do in your life, do your crazy stuff. Oh, by the way, you guys can like the video. I never asked the whole day. I've been talking to 45 minutes, but 10 people are watching. You guys can click the like button. So maybe YouTube will let other investor know about it. So we are talking about Gevo, Neo, and Tesla. Anyway, so yeah, day trade and trade is so risky. I agree with this. Very risky. Just imagine you bought a stock for like $10. It's going to 150. You are just doing nothing. You're gaining money. No attention, nothing, right? Okay. So Tiwahdo said, got you, bro. I bought Neo at 182. Look at this guy. I bought it Neo 1.82. Exactly same. High five, buddy. And sold it for 4 plus. My biggest regret is I did not hold it long. I am asking you to figure out and check if there is a possibility of deep Gevo for entry right now. So look at another example. The person who asked me, I repeat, the person who asked me what's the price target, this person said he bought Neo at 1.82. The person, look at this guy. So the Tiwado could have been another biggest successful person compared to my BK, because BK bought it for $4, but he did not sell it. This is the difference. He did not sell it. He believed in the company, yet he is telling me he believed in the company. On the other hand, look at the Tiwado. So he had a realization. So he said by himself. He said by himself, my biggest regret is I bought the stock, but I did not hold it. So it's not. I'm gonna tell you, it's a mistake. Tiwado and me. I'm gonna say we made the mistake. I'm not gonna say actually I hold it. I did swing trade because I was doing so many things. I did not give attention. I lost the track for so many reasons. I was not giving attention because so many things going on, right? I changed the country, right? I came from another country. I came to this country new, and I was doing so many things. So I was not giving proper attention. Anyway, so look at this. So if he bought it for 1.82, if he hold it till now, look, man, you had money, a lot of money. Just one, we can see only 1.2 something, just a difference. But this purchase point could have made a huge difference because you invested a very less amount of money, but your return is exponentially higher than our BK. So we have to remember this part. Okay. Anyway, so I will go to the next person's question. So Ryan Johnson said, when is Gevo gonna hit 100? So Ryan, this is the part. This is the part. Another thing. How can I answer this thing? How can anybody can help me with the Ryan's question? When Gevo is gonna hit 100? Maybe Gevo can have a very bad run because we have faith on Gevo, and Gevo is getting contract, so they have to deliver now. So we invested what they committed, but now they have to perform. So if they perform, so many things can happen. Because okay, by the way, why out of nowhere I'm becoming too much bullish on Gevo? Because listen, look at some of the good picture of Gevo. Gevo has 0 carbon emission. Number one. Number two, in the present world, just forget about everything, car and everything. Just look at the world. Lots of aeroplane is going to the sky. There is no way right away all the aeroplane company will replace to electric aeroplane. No way. No, that's crazy. So what is going to happen? So the Biden, our new US elected president, is very much towards the green sustainable thing. So when he will come here, like, when he will be in this seat, and when he started doing the stuff, somebody distracted me big times. So Ted Date said stock pumper unite. Yes, that's the thing. I love what you say. Somebody hated me. I hope he hated me and gave something really nicely. He said stock pumpers unite. That's the thing. So when some people, same believer, come together, something can happen. So for example, if I every day talk in front of you guys, hey guys, don't sell Gevo, just hold it. If Gevo actually go up, I repeat, if Gevo actually go up, there's no way I can lose the faith, because we all are in same philosophy, right? So I hope Ted dates like you people, like if you hate us, why we're talking about Gevo, why Gevo is gonna go up, I think you guys can ignore us, right? Because I gave I gave the title like Gevo stock is the next Tesla and Neo. So definitely the people who are investing in Neo, the people who are investing in Tesla, supposed to laugh at me and not coming to this live, because there is no way Gevo can be Tesla, because Tesla is going to be $1 trillion company. There is no way Gevo is just a couple $1 billion company. Yet there is in loss. Yet there is in loss. But this is the thing I will repeat, just like I did in Neo. Why I used to put Neo stock information, because I used to encourage people. Some people used to tell me like, I bought the Neo watching your video $6, it went to $4. They used to very much upset. So they used to ask myself, you bought the stock, you have to hold it. Stock market is a normal thing, buy, sell. Like it's go up, it's go down, it's normal thing. It doesn't make sense. Every day Gevo cannot go 30% up. No, it have to correction. Correction is the beautiful thing in the stock market. The people who have money, they can buy the stock, but it's going too much up. So if you look at this, if you guys know about the stock right now, if it go down right now, so you guys can buy it. So correction is a very good thing, but if you can utilize it. One of my boss told me one day one thing: you cannot buy a stock in the lowest price. You cannot buy a stock in the like sell the stock in the highest price. No, you have to sell in a price, then it can go up. You can buy a stock, then it can go down. I bought the Gevo at like 180, then it went down a little bit. So I have no regret. But now when it's go up, your everything will go like vanish. Ryan Johnson said, how high and when? 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years? So Ryan, it's not just observe the stock, because Gevo is supposed to have within I'm guessing within this end of this year and the next January, you're supposed to get some good news about Neo. It's supposed to be Gevo. So I will encourage all of the people to observe the stock right now. It's increasing like crazy. It doesn't make any sense. Even Neo didn't increase. I bought Neo on December, and it took a few months to go up. I never had that. I have chance to talk about Neo for a few months, but this stock I never had any chance to talk. It started like 3 days ago, started going up, and every day is going 30% up. I don't know why people are without any news. Nothing is yet came out, because everything is happening inside. And when the big companies starting invest, yeah, for sure, man, you guys won't be able to invest on like $15, even $20. It's gonna go like crazy. Anyway, Mandeep Singh bought Neo for a long time and will buy Gevo for a long time, but in a small block. Good, Mandeep. I think it's a good decision, not a bad. In my opinion, I think so. Ryan, I am in Gevo at 56 cents for the long term. Look at this person, guys. I don't know what to say, Ryan. Like, hi, Ryan. I'm gonna say hi, Ryan. He bought a Gevo 56 cents. So he is the real long. The person who can buy a stock for 56 cents without any news, without anything, believe in stock. These guys can get the real return. And I'm telling you, in front of everyone, he's not gonna sell. Maybe you will buy it for, we will sell it at 10. But this person bought it for 56 cents. He will hold. I don't know how long he's gonna hold. So that's called real investor. Stock market is not a business. Stock is investments. What is investments? Like, you buy something and you forgot. Look at the ARK investments. How long Kathy Wood is investing in Tesla? How long? Is she investing for like couple months? Look at this. Kathy Woods is going for genome stock. So she's talking about future. She's not saying like what is actually going up now. No. So it's about investing in future. It's about what you believe and what can happen in future. That's the best strategy. All big institution, what they do, they buy something and they sell it later time. So they're not like us, impatient. They buy it today and within a week they want the profit. So if any stock you buy it for, like, if a stock, for example, you see Gevo is going up for every day like 30%. So tomorrow maybe you will buy it for like $4. Then tomorrow it went up to $5. So you are very happy. Oh, I got like 30% increase. So next day it can get down to 20% down. So you will be upset. Oh no, I got 30%, I lost 20%, so it's a bad stock, you can leave it. So but just think other way around. If you buy a stock, okay, so I found one person, I really like something. Cosmas say you are wrong. There is going to be news in 3 days, debt free until December 31st. Cosmos, I know. Cosmos, I think definitely you joined me later. That's why you missed it, because I'm talking about this thing 56 minutes. So I told my audience about this one, about the debt free thing. So debt free, I told everyone already. So you are not here, maybe that's what I'm guessing. So I told them exactly. So it's supposed to be declared 31st December, debt free. I told my audience, So yes, I told them exactly. So I'm saying few news will come eventually. So debt free is the debt free is not the big news for me, in my opinion, right now, because debt free is something like making the ground for something big. For example, when we jump, we sit first, then we jump, right? So debt free is just like Gevo is gonna sit first, then the jump, how big will be the jump? That's what we don't know, because so why is they're becoming debt free? Anybody can tell me, because I'm maybe I believe there is some of the person is investing in Gevo, because the person is investing, Ryan is investing from 56, and if you can enlighten us why Gevo is doing that way. How many so Alex says, so what's a good price to enter into Gevo? Any time? Because man, I'm telling you, Alex, is every day Gevo is going up 30%, and after hours it's even went up to like 527. So I don't know what happened tomorrow. Even it can cross $6. So if I tell you for like $5 is a good buy now, maybe it went up to $6 tomorrow. So you cannot get the five, But when I don't know when will the correction will happen. Maybe tomorrow it can go down to $4, because it's every day it's going like it's getting crazy. I'm telling you, Alex, it's getting crazy. I don't know exactly what. I never seen a stock every day go up. I don't know. I'm not even feeling. I'm an investor, but it something is going up like this fast, and without any news. Oh man, news is to go up every, after every earning report, after every earning report, after every big news. But this is not any news came. Everything is from the inside. We know about it. This is going to happen, and some like contracts are in pipeline. We have a Trafigura 1.5 billion, but some couple of the contracts is 600 million. We are assuming. It's not assuming. Like, I didn't see exact news, but without like announce those news, it's the price is going up. So yeah, Alex has said something. Alex H. I followed you with Neo same time last year. Ha ha ha. Sold at 40. Look at this guy, another successful person. So Alex, how much you paid? So look at this. So many of my favorite people. That's the only thing, guys. I'm gonna tell you one thing. I never thought Neo will hit $40, because I was so worried with it. So anyway, man, like Neo went to $40. When I was encouraging you to buy Neo, like when it's $2, I was telling you, everyone, I have lives like Samuel Neo. If you search MFK Samuel Neo, you will find like my video. Man, I used to tell like if it go $10, people will become millionaire. I never thought it's gonna go 15, 20. I never imagine it's supposed to go, because I was thinking it will take some time. Man, it's go like flight. Like everybody, oh my goodness, everybody believed in Neo like crazy. It's too much. It's too much. Every day Neo is Neo is everyday number one stock. Anyway, guys, I don't want to talk Neo, because it's about Gevo. Neo is old, mature stock, old story now. To make money, Neo is not making money. Neo is about like if somebody have safe investment. If you have retired money, you made money, like you made $1,000,000. So just invest $200 in Neo. This is the stock right now, Neo. But we are here to talk about making millions of dollars. We are here to talking about making millions of dollars. When you have to make millions of dollars, you have to find another Neo. You have to find another Neo. You have to find another stock. You have to find another Tesla. Okay. So Ethan F said, what broker do you use? I use a Quest Trade. I using from Canada. So what about Tesla? Mega Shane's Tesla. Tesla is a Google right now. When I was investing in stock market, I came. So when I see like Google is like $1,000, oh my goodness. Uh, Amazon was like $2,000 stock, and Tesla was $182. Oh, that's a cheap stock, right? So now like Tesla became those Google, those Amazon, So man, let me tell you, Tesla is already 3,000. You cannot multiply Tesla to. I know so many things are coming. Oh, by the way, do not need to get me wrong, because I believe in Tesla. Everything Gevo is happening because of Tesla. Everything is happening. So many things will be happening because of Tesla. Tesla is not just with all due respect, I'm a mad fan of Elon Musk. I'm a mad fan of the product of the Tesla, no question about it. But you won't be able to become millionaire with Tesla, because you have to invest like 1 million to make another, like 200,000, 300,000, because it's not going to go like $3,000. Tesla is like 300 half, like it's not going to go 7,000. Okay, even if it goes 7,000, it will take a lot of time, or like one of the YouTuber, I used to like him a lot, but he is making every couple hours about Tesla. I know, man, it's okay. Tesla is Tesla. Everybody know Tesla right now, and we don't need to tell anything about Tesla anymore. Okay, if you want to make money from YouTube, that's a different story, but like Tesla is the Tesla right now. Everybody knows here. Anybody is not investing on Tesla, they're not about Tesla. Anybody is investing on Tesla, they're not about Tesla, because it's open now. Thousands of institutional investors investing on Tesla. Tesla became, Elon Musk will be the richest person in the world, I'm telling you. And nobody will incomparably get near to the Elon Musk, because the thing he have executed, SpaceX. Oh my goodness. I visualize future when I see he's talking about, like, when I started doing research in 2018 about Elon Musk, the thing he used to say, man, I'm telling you, you can go one country to another country in few minutes with the Elon Musk rocket. That's what he's gonna do. That's he is gonna do. He's gonna make the, like, the he's gonna add this his SpaceX stuff in the real world, because he landed it safely. So why not? And he's gonna use it for transportation. He's gonna use it for, like, we transfer stuff. That's what my vision. That's what I visualize about Tesla. The SpaceX. So like we send stuff with the cargo, like ship. He's gonna send it with the SpaceX. Phew, one country to another country, like in a few minutes. So that will happen with the Tesla. Anyway, let's get back to the point. So I get some question and get some few points. So Alex H said, I bought in around 3,000 shares, held to 50, but saw it declining. So I sold it few days ago at 41. Look at this person. Just calculate our Alex investments. So I'm gonna give the real analysis with only one person, what he gave. So he invested in $3,000, 3,000 units of stock for $2. $6,000 he invested. I repeat, he invested $6,000. Okay, so he sold those $3,000 share for 41. $6,000 he invested. According what he said, 123,000. Can you imagine? $6,000, 123,000. Now he have 123,000. Now even if he buy like 15 of $6,000 stock or 10 of $10,000, if one of them is clicked like Neo, he will be millionaire. Do you guys getting what I'm saying, right? So that's how it's all about. You have to have a vision. You have to have a vision. I repeat again, you have to have a vision. You want to go somewhere, then this vision will take you somewhere. I was doing some research a couple days ago. I know everything is we know. It's not something like I'm telling you which you don't know. Everything is we know. Let's read some other thing. So Alex H, let's do the same with Gevo. Alex, you can do the same with Gevo maybe, but I'm telling you with your due diligence, because so many things I'm watching now. So it's something like I'm becoming more conservative. I used to be very crazy when I started for Neo, but I'm not gonna be any more Neo because aggressive, because first time I did not make money like you, Alex. I'm gonna confess. I learned from my mistake. That's why I'm telling you guys. I told the world Neo will go up to $10, and I took the profit. I did not close it. I told the world Tesla will be the jam. I told a person when Tesla was 1,000. I told him Tesla is not haven't started the race. He was telling me, man, $200 stock went up to 1,000. You are saying it's not even started. I say, yes, man. That's how I used to believe in Tesla, but I did not give my full attention because of my like destruction. The if you make mistake, like some a person said he sold the Neo at $4, so that was a mistake. If I make a mistake, it's okay. But again, if I buy a stock in the same situation and I sold it early, this time is not going to be a mistake. It's going to be a crime. So we have to learn from my mistake. I have to learn from my mistake, as well as I have to learn Alex's success. I have to learn from Ryan's success. I have to learn from BK's success. Anyway, let's read some other comments. So Global Meet webcast viewer, listen to his response to this question. Tell me if you think he slipped. Okay, I'll check exactly, because as I'm in live right now, I can't. So Alex, so Gevo to the moon. Haha, I believe in you. So I'm a just buy in tomorrow opening price. 1,000 share. Hope this is the next New Yorker. This is the I'm worried the way you say it, Alex. This time I don't want to be this crazy, because I used to tell you guys, remember me, I used to tell you guys buy Neo, don't miss the opportunity. But this time I'll be like, because Neo actually went down from $11 to $1, and Neo's competitor was Tesla. But Gevo have so many competitors, though Gevo is the very good company. So there is the competitors of Gevo, right? So so be careful with investment with all I'm not gonna say if you buy it, it's gonna be loss. If you buy it, it's gonna be huge gain, because I'm holding it, it's gonna go up, right? So you have to be careful too, right? Alex, who again said something after Neo went up, you disappeared, making different video about immigration, I think. Yes. So this is my audience. I love you, Alex. I really love you. This is the thing. So many people like you actually chased me. Hey man, Neo is going up. Why you are disappeared? Man, I disappeared, So when the time, like it's something like you have prayed something like, oh, it should happen. It should have. When it's happened, on that time I wasn't around, But yeah, you guys have lots of people around. Like so many people are making videos. So yeah. So this time I'll not go for big audience. This time I'll be very close audience. I'll have a very small audience, and we will have small discussion just like this. Look at this. You people are writing the comments. I'm reading it. We're having direct conversation. It's gonna be nice, That's how I'm gonna have a community right now. Yeah. So Ryan Johnson, they are becoming debt free to get approved for financing to build plant to meet the demands of the contracts, in my opinion. Ryan, yes, that's what I believe too. So when a company go debt free, they have some kind of vision. So not any company don't want to get debt without any reason. And they declared a long time ago, we are going to be debt free. They selected the plans. They got the contracts. So many contracts is coming. Biden is the president. Everything is opening the door for Gevo. It's time to get the outcome, And the best part is you invest in a stock, you predicted it's gonna go up, and actually it's going up. That's the best feeling, I'm telling you guys. And yeah, if we have this kind of community, we can have actually real. I am back. By the way, I'm back, though in a small way. I'm back because last year, the whole 1 year, I wasn't there. But I'm back because I finished some of the stuff, because I came to Canada New Year. I came in a different, I have immigration status, right? So I have to fulfill some of the responsibility. So I'm done with this thing. So I'll be with you guys because I enjoyed with you guys. I enjoyed with my, how can I say? I enjoyed with my, YouTube audience, you guys are amazing. You guys give your thoughts, because I'm not saying I know everything. Because here Ryan is ahead of me. Ryan invested 0.56. I invested 1.8, like, around $2. So look at this. Alex is invested. Alex is made ahead of me. He invested for $2. He sold it for $40. So look at this. So we as a community, we will learn from each other. It's not something like I know everything. I just do the research. I'll come in front of you guys. Will share with us information. We'll grow together. That would be the nice. So, and we will spend today. I spend like a lot of time, one hour. But eventually, we will have a small discussion, and every day we'll have some kind of discussion. So we will have some analysis. So we will find some new stock. We'll find some new stuff together. Okay, fine. So Cosma saying, by the way, Gevo is not a penny stock anymore. It's above $5. It is going to get bought by big institute. Cosmas, exactly. That's what I told my audience in the beginning of the video. So I told like a penny stock, when so many, not a penny stock, so many institutions do not invest in penny stock, and so many institutions have a condition they're not going to invest in below $5 stock. So even the Stockwits is a very famous. If I am not wrong, you guys can correct me. So the Stockwits will never, any stock will never trend if it's below 5. If it cross 5, it will start trending. If it's trending exactly. So yes, Cosmas, I told my audience, thank you for let us know from your side too. So yes, Neo, by the way, Cosmas, if Gevo open or like trade tomorrow above $5, then it will happen. So yet the closing price is 4.82. Yet we did not actually see the real price of $5 above. So hoping it's going to be open above 5 tomorrow for sure. Okay, so Cosmas is saying it is not going to stop. It is going to hit $10. So Cosmas is another bullish about Gevo. I'm bullish too, but I'm not saying from my part, because as I'm a speaker in the YouTube video, so I have to be conservative. So I'm gonna take the point from the Cosmas. He said one thing, that Gevo will hit $10. It's not gonna stop below 10, because remember, the competitor of or similar industrial stock price like plug fly, plug fly from 2 to like 30, 35. F-cell fly, like it went up like 13. So many stock went up. This is the only stock left below 10, in my opinion, in this potential, and they have a zero emission. They are dealing with big company. Big company is expecting product from nobody, cannot supply with the big company. Like not many people. And another thing, so many good things about Gevo. If I tell you like 10 to 15 minutes, I can tell you some good stuff about Gevo's products, because, okay, let me tell you a few of the points, because so many people you are interested to buy Gevo now. So Gevo product is 100% carbon emission, no carbon dioxide. No greenhouse gas will emit in the air. So first of all, they will purify the air, number one. Another thing, you do not, for example, if you want to go for sustainable energy, so you have to wipe out your ICE engine car and you have to buy battery. For this Gevo, you do not have to do nothing. You just have to buy the Geo fuel. That's it. It's not gonna emit any carbon dioxide in the air. Another thing, so you're buying like the fuel which is sustainably manufactured, because the plant they have built, oh my goodness, I'm telling you guys, completely sustainable. They're producing the from the plant, they're producing to run the plant. They're not using gas, they're not using electricity. So they have contacted with the cow manure, cow like cow farm. So they're getting the cow manure. They're making the biogas to run the industry. Also, they need some more electricity, because with the cow manure, maybe they're not sufficient. So they planted the wind turbine. So they're generating. So that's how sustainably they're doing. The whole business system is sustainable. So for example, you are making biofuel, but you are using like gas. You're burning gas to the air. So it's not sustainable, right? You're burning gas to make like sustainable fuel. So they made the whole business plan in a sustainable way. That's the thing about Gevo. Okay, so many other stuff. Oh, another thing, this the most important thing. This Gevo is very efficient and very good, and the outcome is way like the efficiency is way better than the normal fossil fuel. Because in the fossil fuel, there's so many mixture, like so many like other stuff, but they will purely purify. So it's good for your engine too. Yeah, that's. I'm gonna conclude the video. So I'll read a few. If you have anything you guys wanna write, you can write it. So yeah, Ryan is talking about like, do you think Gevo would be bigger if it had a contract for their fuel or technology with Amazon, NASA, or military or big oil like Exxon? Ryan, it's a very important question you asked me. Like, do you think Gevo would be bigger if it had a contract for their fuel or technology with? Are you talking about the collaboration with the big company or with the contract? So, if I am not wrong, the thing you asked, like, if with the contract it's going to go bigger, or with the collaboration it's going to go bigger. So when Tesla was there, it's a very difficult call, Ryan, because like they have the potential. Number one, if they got the finance, I'm gonna tell you my Alex's example. So Alex invested. I'm gonna look at Ryan. Look at us. Look at us. Our one of the person who invested NEO for $2. He invested only 3,000 of the stock. So he invested $6,000. He got returned 123,000. So when everything accumulates, so when they will have big contracts, when they will have a turnover, lots of money turnover, they will have a huge potential. So on that time they don't need to. So many big companies always go collaborate. It's their strategy. When a big fish eat a small fish, the small fish will be small and it's gone. So if Gevo do anything, because Gevo is a small fish now, if any big fish eat the Gevo now, so Gevo will be smaller, stay smaller. Maybe in the short, this is my opinion, in the short run, it looks like, okay, Gevo is bought by a big company. But in my opinion, Gevo has a huge potential, because, okay, look at why I say Gevo NEO, look at this. Gevo is giving solution in next 10 years. Okay, I repeat, in next 10 years, if 10% will be battery, 10% or 2% will be like battery or Tesla type products like car, so 90% will be the gas vehicles. So for those 90% gas vehicles, they have the potential to sell as much as they can scale up, they have a huge potential to sell the product, so it's completely up to them. In my opinion, Ryan, if you ask me, I think it's for me, because another thing I told you long time ago, I'm going to repeat. One of the co-founder is a Nobel Prize winner. A company having a person in their management who is a Nobel Prize winner. So just think, you are investing on a very knowledgeable person's company. So we have to be very much believing it. So I am very much bull on another reason, because the person is got a Nobel Prize on chemistry, so he know actually what is really the biofuel. It's all about chemistry. They're changing so they actually how they're making the biofuel from the corn. If I am not wrong, the whole on the process. So they're like separating the carbohydrates, and they're taking out the corn other portion, and this other portion protein will how sustainable they are. So they're taking the carbohydrate, the protein will give it to the food, like the ecosystem, like the cow will eat the foods and stuff like that. So this the carbohydrate, they will make isobutanol. They will make it. Maybe I'm giving a little bit because I'm not 100% quoting the exact process. But look at this. So that they're making mechanism on this carbohydrate, and they're making sustainable product. So yeah, I believe what they're doing because a knowledgeable person is working with this company. So yeah, yes. So few of the comments left, so I'll read and I'll finish it, guys. So Alex said, I believe in your vision. What is 1,000 shares? The percentage is very small from my profits from NEO, so I will believe in you. Thank you for your amazing response. But yeah, This 1000, maybe if you hold it for a long time, maybe it can something good. Christopher Duran said, I am going to put $21,000 into NEO. Yeah, it's completely on you now, because NEO is a good company. We're not gonna say anything about NEO anymore, because yeah, NEO is a good company now. Because NEO had I talked about NEO when NEO is $2, it's gonna go up. So it's NEO is went up. I'm not gonna say NEO. I'm not saying NEO is not gonna go $100, $200. But even if you think if NEO is go to like 44 to like $60, you're having like few $100 or a few $1,000 more. But if you invest a stock for like $4, it went up to like $40, you are making like few thousands, like few 100,000% increase, you know. So I'm talking about this big opportunity, because New York stock market have so many stock. I'm saying, guys, so many stock has a huge potential. I can make every day one potential company video, and which can go up. Like, you know, genome stock, I never even talk about it, because our Katie Wood, I love Katie Wood. I'm telling you guys, oh my God. I love, maybe she's investing in the stock, and she's trying to get us invest on those stock. But the way she gives the explanation, you guys cannot deny it. I'm telling you guys. The way she said about Tesla, I'm telling you, when I was investing on Tesla, the way I see, like, I was bull on Tesla, you know. I was looking for people who are in, because not many people was bull about Tesla, you know, because people are making fun of it. But like, oh my goodness, Kathy Wood is saying, you know, Tesla is gonna go 4,000. I was looking at this lady, like, what the hell is she saying? Like, and she is saying like the conservative is 4,000, and her bull case can be like 7,000. She is like crazy, guys. I love Kathy Wood. So she said like the genome stock. So genome is kind of complicated thing. And like, why we like Tesla? Because we see car, right? When we see car in the road, we have more belief. But we will never see genome is like in our skin, like they're like, you know, editing the gene. So many things we can, because we have so many potential stock here. So every month, so many stock is going like $2 to $50, like $30. So yeah, we can make money from those stock, you know. Yes, so yeah, Christopher Duran, yeah. So that's the thing. Christopher Duran, 470. Yeah, you can invest. It's gonna be good. So my investing journey, you are a real one. You are the real one. Thank you. Investing journey, BK. Nice to see you, because I know there's thousands of YouTuber now. Because there is no need for me to like say something. Nobody is supposed to give me minimum value, because I'm just a simple person with a simple background. You guys know me. When I was making video about NEO, for 1.8 to buy NEO, you'll be millionaire. I used to just upload straight away. I never used to make any editing or nothing, because I used to believe like it's not about editing. It's not about asking for sponsors. It's not about asking for anything. It's about giving you the right information and make the real money. If I make real money, if you make real money, look at this. If I make like a few 100,000 from YouTube, like stock market, why I need to make money from YouTube for $100? Like, if I guys ask you for so many stuff, like you guys can, like, YouTube can give me few hundred bucks. But if I make like thousands of $1,000 for YouTube, so this is the part I focus, like, you know, make money in the real place. Don't need to make money in front of you guys, you know. That's the place. Anyway, Ryan Johnson. So the reason I think Amazon could have a contract is they made the pledge. Bezos bought and named the stadium in Seattle Climate Pledge area. Gevo has a contract with the city of Seattle for gas. Yes. So Ryan brought up something very important. Is like the city of Seattle is made a contract with Gevo. So they want a sustainable product, and Gevo is making product for sustainable product for the city of Seattle to make city more sustainable, more green. So Ryan, I'm gonna acknowledge, I'm gonna confess, I'm not exactly tell about this part, because I'm not sure exactly what Amazon is gonna do, because Amazon is trying to cut in so many ways, because you know Amazon is in my opinion, though it's like still growing, but it's kind of mature stock. We know in the business it's grow, maturity, decline stage. So I don't think it's growing stage. It's kind of in mature, almost like finished the grow. It's mature stage. So they have to, if they, for example, Apple is like, you know, making iPhone is like same iPhone like for last 5-10 years, right? Like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like pretty much same, right? So a little bit of upgrades. So so if they do not come up with something, it's not gonna revolutionize. So you have to come up with something. So you have to break the. That's why I think Apple is coming up with a car. So its car is the next product. So phone used to be the biggest product in the before 2020. Next product will no more phone. Next product will be like car. Because the whole car industry is changed. It shifted from like big time shifted. So it have to big company have a chance to come up with something. So I think Apple maybe, and Apple have a good chance. So yeah, Amazon have to come up with something, Ryan. I agree with you. So other this is the thing. So yes. So Amazon supposed to come up with something, in my opinion. So maybe they can come up with something like Gevo. In my opinion, yeah, if Amazon go with the Gevo, maybe it can be something very big. Ryan. It's like just think. Amazon have bought it, so with a huge even for example, even Amazon got the contract, no, not even contract. If Amazon do the contract with the Gevo for their fleet, Amazon have huge fleet all over the Canada or like all over the US, and huge fleet, right? So they're burning lots of gas and stuff like that. So because Amazon is gonna buy from Tesla the semi truck, so if they go with the Gevo with their company, they can like use their same truck with their product, and they will be more green. Maybe they can save a lot of tax because they will say we are greener now. We are like using no carbon dioxide, no greenhouse gases. So I think it's going to be very interesting, Ryan. Well, let's see what happens, right? Look forward to that. Ryan said another thing. Reason why I think NASA military is they have already tested both of their equipment with their fuel, and the army in India bought license to make their own jet fuel from rice to be independent. Just to let you guys another thing know. So how Gevo is making jet fuel from like how? So they're making from corn. Why they're making from corn? Corn because corn is very cheap in US. Okay. So how maybe corn is not cheap in anywhere in the world, or like in India maybe it's not available. So what is available in India? So India is available rice. People eat rice. So from rice, so they will make the starch and they will make it. So look at this. For Australia, what is available in Australia? Maybe lots of woods. So from the woods, so the way so many ways. The fossil fuel, what we have to do? We have to go underneath. We have to go from the dinosaur who died. We get those fossil fuel. Those fossil fuel is limited. Number one. Number two, you are harming the environment when you are taking out, but you are growing it. So from so many countries, you can use so many strategies to get the outcome. Thank you, Ryan, for bringing this amazing, important topic from India. So the rice. So Ryan, what he said, so many countries can use so many strategy to get the jet fuel or biofuel. It's not the only corn can give you the outcome. So yeah, we can make it from so many ways. So yes. So eventually. So what he said is licensing. So they will make the jet fuel, and Gevo will get the money because they made the license. They patented it. So many countries eventually went for it. I'm gonna tell you, so many countries is gonna go for it, and maybe it's gonna make a lot of money. And last comment, I guess, from the Ryan Johnson is like, and reason why I think big oil could partner is Gevo owns the patents to turn sugars into fuel. So they need to be bought out for how much, merger for what, or partnership to use the technology. Yes. So yeah. So big oil company, they are in really threat right now because eventually everything will be shifted to the sustainable fuel. And big company have a huge reputation, right? And they need the technology. The Gevo have patented it. So you cannot exactly make the isobutanol. In my opinion, if I'm not wrong, you guys can correct me. So yeah. So it's a huge opportunity right now. It's a patented product, so not everybody can make it, and this is the time. And if somebody big like Ryan, I wish any big company is not gonna. I think Ryan, how the big company became big? Because they're doing the business, right? Eventually, they're doing the business. They became the big, right? So I think Gevo have a chance to become bigger because Gevo is exactly in the right track. They just bought the plant. They eventually have to buy more plants because they're doing nothing, just buying the plants, they're executing the plant. That's it. Because the the farmer is doing the work for them, right? So yeah, that's the thing. I believe in this. I believe I wish, I don't know what do you think, Ryan, but I think they should go for by themselves. They will do well. And last comment for today. So my investing journey said those other YouTuber make the videos for money. Yeah, Ryan. Yeah, like yeah. So like BK, they're making video for the money. They should make video for the money because the YouTubing is not that easy. Look at this. I'm talking straight 1.5 hour. If I can expect money, it's not a bad idea. They're doing this thing. They are editing the video. They are doing the research. They are doing lots of things. So they may be here, but my intention was never to get the money from you guys or like for YouTube, because I'm telling you, if I can become millionaire by investment strategy, why I need to get few $100 from the YouTube? So that's what I used to believe. That's why I never went for it. And that's why even when my when my YouTube channel is supposed to go fly, I left my YouTube channel. So forget it. Because like, people are making money. I don't need to tell them. So many YouTubers making video for Neo, not anymore. I don't need anymore. And everybody have the news about Neo now. Because I used to give Neo every day. People do not know anything about Neo. They have no news about Neo. So I used to give news about Neo. But anyway, guys. Anyway, it was very nice talking to you guys after a long time. I talked so many things, and because of my today's video, I will lost my all old audience, because the audience used to love me because of Neo, and they if they see the title, they will say like, this guy used to talk about Neo. Now he's saying Gevo out of nowhere, a stock name. Maybe stock name Gevo will go up. Maybe it's not gonna go up, but like, but anyway, it's really nice to see you, my old people, few of them, but it means a lot because you guys know me after even 6-7 months. You guys remember me. It's really great to see you guys, and hope we will have a great journey together. We will make money together. You guys will help me. And I'll try to come up with something interesting. So we will grow together. So good night, guys. And tomorrow is gonna be a Gevo day once again. I'm hoping, once again, Gevo will go up tomorrow. And if you guys invest with your due diligence, be careful because it's going too crazy high. Like within 3 days, it's like almost increased $3. That's too much. 1.82 to 3 or like $6, like five. That's crazy, guys. So be careful with the investments. But I like the way Alex said that, like, he made a lot of profits. That's what I exactly said. He made like 120, 130,000. So if he invested his profit, he had 6,000. He made 120,000. Every 10,000, if you block the 10,000, if you invest the potential 10 stocks, and one of the stock will go up. I'm saying 10 potential stock. One stock if hits, he can be millionaire in 2 or 3 investments. That's how we should invest. Alex, I conclude my video acknowledging you. You are a success story in my today's video. I found it, and I will try to follow your strategy rest of my life. I made mistakes. Making mistake is not the mistake, but if you do not learn from your mistake, that's the mistake. That's the crime. I don't want to make the crime. Guys, good night. See you on next any of the day. Hopefully, slowly we will accumulate our small community, and we will talk about stock, because talking about stock is really amazing. Ryan, best of luck. I couldn't buy like your price, but I bought a little bit higher, but best of luck, guys. Good night, guys. Hope see you guys soon.